Waste Management Service in Waco, Texas. At Flat Creek Solutions, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient waste management service in Waco, Texas. Whether you're working on a home renovation or construction project or need to clean up your space, we have the right dumpster. Our simple process ensures your waste management needs are met without hassle. We understand that waste disposal can be overwhelming, but with our easy-to-use service, you can focus on your project while we handle the cleanup. Flat Creek Solutions offers a range of dumpster sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every job, big or small. Our team is committed to fast, efficient, and friendly service, ensuring your experience with us is smooth and stress-free. We take pride in communicating clearly so you always know exactly what to expect. There are no hidden fees, just honest pricing for your needed services. When you choose Flat Creek Solutions, you choose a company dedicated to providing reliable service. Our customers in Waco trust us to be on time with every delivery and pickup, ensuring that their projects stay on track. Ready to get started? Call us today at 254-307-9211 to speak with a team member and find the right dumpster for your needs. We're here to help make your waste management process as simple and affordable as possible. Let Flat Creek Solutions make your waste management worries disappear.